lovelies, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you my skincare routine. So first I used to wash my face. So here you can see that I'm going to apply my clean and clear face wash. I'm going to put a little bit of face wash and then mix it with water and then going to apply and make a foam on my face. Then I'm going to wash it properly with water. With face wash, and then I get ready to go out. If I had to go out for work, then I used to apply some sunscreen. This is Garniers UV sunscreen. It has a 50 SPF, which is great to protect your skin from harmful rays of sun. So it has an aqua base, so no matter how much you sweat, it will stick to your face. So I used to apply this a little bit before going out, because if you directly exposed to sun, it can harm your skin so badly. So apply this one, and if you want to apply makeup, just put this as base. And if I'm staying at home, then I used to apply this day cream. It's a Conatural day essential day cream. Hope you can see this one. And it doesn't contain any harmful chemicals. It is chemical free. So it is made up of natural things. So you need a little bit of this one. And just apply this after properly washing your face. Another important and great thing from Conatural is this fresh flower hydrating mist. Whenever you think at work your makeup is not refreshed, or you want to wash your face, or you want a little bit of refreshment, you don't need to wash your face again and again. Just spray this all over your face and your face gets refreshed. Floral scent is also very refreshing. After 2 or 3 days, you need some kind of exfoliation. So for this, I'm using this apricot scrub. This is from St. Ivres Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub. So it is quite gentle particles, so it is great for exfoliation. And after 2 or 3 days, I used to exfoliate. It smells so good as well. So I'll take a little bit of this and to massage my face in a circular motion to exfoliate the dust and dead skin from my face. I need a little bit of more, so I'm going to put a little more scrub, and I will massage my face in circular motion. It will help not only to remove the dust and excess oil, but it also helps to protect your skin from whiteheads and blackheads and pimples as well, if you exfoliate on a regular basis. After massaging it for good 5 to 3 minutes, then I'm going to wash my face with water. My skin has become quite soft and smooth. Now I'm going to apply a sheet mask over this to further moisturize and hydrate my skin. I'm using this sheet mask from 1 month. Nearly I used this for a weekend. So I will keep this sheet mask for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm going to remove this sheet mask. You can see the glow at my face. Before going to sleep, I like to use this comestics brightening serum, because firstly, if I apply it at night, it will for a longer time get my skin, and secondly, the serums are more trendy nowadays, because serum penetrates deeply inside your skin and do its work and remove all the impurities and dust. So I'm going to fill this one, pour one over here. I'm going to apply it a little bit at my nose and my chin as well. Then I'm going to massage it with the help of my fingers first. And then I'm going to use this roller. Actually, by applying roller, your blood circulation at face also improves. So do use this roller for minimum 1 or 2 minutes or so. Next day, I plan to apply some peeling mask on my face, and this is the famous ordinary peeling mask. It contains 30% AHA and 30% BAH. So it is a chemical solution. So first you need to make sure that it will not make an allergic reaction to your skin. So for that you need to do a patch test. So you can use a little bit of, you can put a dropper and put a 1 drop at your wrist and let it rest for 10 minutes and see if it is allergic. Don't use it. I'm using it from a couple of weeks. So let's begin. And you also have to make sure that the dropper doesn't touch your skin because it can get contaminated. So I'm going to put 2 drops. It's a red kind of solution, so I'm going to spread it on all over my face. Okay, it tints a lot on your skin. So first, if it tints a lot, you can start with 5 minutes and then gradually increase the time, but not more than 10 minutes. It's also written on instruction like you have to keep this mask for 10 minutes max. In first 2 weeks you don't notice any change, but after using it 2 weeks you will see that visible change in your face. It will become glass clear because it goes deep in your pores and cleanse your face through chemicals. So it is going to help you out in cleaning your impurities and dirt, so help you to even out your skin tone. Try to apply this peeling solution on Friday so that you can get it 2 days off, because after applying this peeling solution you can't go to sun directly. So in this way you will get 2 days off, and when you want to go to outside or at sun, so you need to apply some kind of sunscreen or sunblock. Thank you so much for watching and hope you will enjoy this video, and this video will be helpful for you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.